Watch what happens inside when you fast every day for 30 days. Your body slowly begins to adapt. In the first few days, your body uses stored sugar for energy. When that runs low, your body starts burning stored fat to keep you going. After about a week, your metabolism becomes more efficient. Your body learns how to manage energy better during the long hours without food. This is why many people start feeling more balanced during fasting after the first few days. As the days continue, your body also improves insulin control, which helps manage blood sugar levels better. Your digestive system gets a daily break, which may help reduce stomach stress. Inside your cells, a natural repair process begins. The body starts cleaning out damaged cell parts and replacing them with new ones. This process helps your body stay healthy. By the end of 30 days, your body becomes better at using energy, burning fat, and maintaining balance during fasting hours. That's why fasting for a full month can create many internal changes that most people never see happening inside their body.